multiplayer, but people
Tap,
never really played
dude, Tappy
with
Bird is the alpha, bro.
Hey,
Dude.
and I'm gonna drop some real. You want to know some real alpha right now? I'll
Yes,
drop you
I
some real
do.
alpha, bro.
Yes, I
We're
do.
okay. We're launching an NFT collection for Tappy Bird, and
Uh-oh.
it's gonna be in-game skins linked to NFTs. No, there's gonna be no fees. No fees for minting. Okay, it's gonna be what 0.02 Sol. It's gonna be like 30 cents or whatever.
Okay.
Cheap and accessible. We're gonna do a nice, and then once we start growing more, we're gonna do separate NFTs for separate communities. So I'm in talks with some other communities right now. I don't want to confirm anything on stream right now, but I'm just letting you know that's the next path we're taking here, along with hardening the multiplayer. I know it's a little bit
I
glitchy and
think you
whatnot,
spit the
but
alpha
I'm putting it.
already.
No,
You
no,
just
no. All right, let's run this. Let's run this.